Okay, so we are starting with electrostatics. Formula revision. सबसे पहला and the first and the most important formula is Coulomb's law. You must be knowing only. What is Coulomb's law telling you? F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q1 Q2 by R square. Does anyone know the formula for 1 upon value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught? Those who have done it is 9
9
into
into
10
10
raised
raised to
10 raised to
9.
9. This SI unit. Okay, K is,
And 1 CGS unit.
yeah, 1 CGSI. K is dielectric constant. Dielectric constant. K का value is 1 for free space and greater than 1 for any other medium and infinity for metals. Okay. Rest all you can see the theory. I have provided the videos also to y'all. So y'all can do it. Acha. So this is all about Coulomb's law. Second formula is electric intensity. That is E bar. Electric intensity is defined as, always remember, if there is a positive charge at a distance of r, electric field will be directed away from the positive charge. And if there is a negative source charge at a distance of r, the electric field will be directed towards. Because I know that lines of force start from positive charge and end towards negative charge. Electric intensity is defined as the force experienced by the test charge, not by the source charge, but by the test charge which is placed at this point. Which is placed at this point. Okay. Acha, if I, this is in the terms of which charge, beta? Test charge. Huh? This is in terms of test charge. Okay. If I need the formula in terms of source charge, it will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K capital Q by R square. Capital Q is called as which charge, beta? Source charge. Some people must be knowing only. We are doing it for everyone. Okay. So what will be the unit of E? Does anyone know? Hello? Unit of E. Hello? Unit. Hey, can you all hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
यूनिट क्या रहेगा? वोल्ट पर मीटर और न्यूटन पर कूलम. This is all about electric intensity. We know a lot of sums we have done on the basis of this. Okay, in the JE part. Plus point number 3, which is a very important law called as Gauss theorem. But before discussing Gauss theorem, we know something called as flux, denoted by the letter phi. Phi ka formula is E bar dot A bar, which could also be written as EA cos theta, where theta is the angle between E bar and A bar. E bar and A bar. What is A bar?
Area.
Area vector. And what is the direction of area vector?
Perpendicular.
Normal to the surface. If this is the surface, this has to be the area vector. Electric field can be in any direction. Suppose electric field यहाँ पर है, so the angle between them will be theta. And the flux का general formula will become EA cos theta. This is flux, not Gauss theorem. What is Gauss theorem telling you? Gauss theorem tells you that the total flux through any closed surface is equal to
0.
no,
No. Total charge entering
Summation
is
of-
equal to total charge leaving. Summation of flux.
Q inside
Yes.
by epsilon naught. This is
Gauss theorem.
Gauss theorem. Are you all understanding better?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So इसको थोड़ा और एक्सटेंड करते हैं. You must have you will tell me कि सर ये तो ये पढ़ा ही नहीं है, हमने तो ये पढ़ा है कि in the videos we have studied that total normal electric induction is algebraic sum of charges enclosed by the surface. एक गॉस थ्योरम हमने ये पढ़ा है ना, एक गॉस थ्योरम थ्योरी वालों ने क्या पढ़ा है? टोटल normal electric induction over a closed surface is the algebraic sum of charges enclosing by the surface. Yes or no? Achha, what is TNEI का formula in the videos which you all have seen will be, yes, integration over a closed surface epsilon naught ke cos theta ds is summation of q enclosed. But do you know what is E cos theta ds? We have done it
A
right.
bar.
E cos theta ds is
Arey, no.
flux.
Sorry, flux. Sorry.
Okay. Can I say this is integration over a closed surface of the flux? Can I take this epsilon naught k down? Epsilon naught k down. Okay. So this will become same, na? Total flux
Total.
is summation of q enclosed by epsilon naught. K is taken to be 1 because we are talking in air. I hope everyone has understood only. So whatever I done it in the videos is the same as that of Gauss theorem, which is there. Okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं. We'll study about a dipole. What is dipole? Two equal and opposite charges separated by a finite distance. And the
Finite
distance over
distance.
here is 2L. Remember, whenever there is a dipole, there has to be a dipole moment. A dipole moment. And this dipole moment is the characteristic of a dipole, which is always directed from minus charge to plus charge. That will become P bar. P bar ka formula will become Q into 2L into a unit vector n cap. And this vector n cap will also be directed from minus to plus. Correct? So this was about a dipole. Now, in the dipole, there are a lot of sections differently. Second, torque acting on a dipole. Torque acting on dipole in uniform electric field. What is the formula for torque acting on a dipole in uniform electric field? P is sin theta. सब लोगों का रिवीजन तो हो ही रहा है. अच्छा, if I tell you if theta is 0 and torque will be 0, what do you mean by theta becoming 0? Means the electric field and the whom?
Dipole moment.
Dipole are in the same line. If theta is 90 means torque will be maximum. Yeah, that will be the moment when E bar will be this way, but this will be this way, dipole. And theta is 180 means
Okay, sir.
electric field will be this way. Dipole will be opposite. Again, in this case, torque will also become 0. Got it? इसके आगे C point. If there is a dipole, and I want electric field along the axis. This is the axis, na beta? From the center, take this distance as r. How much is this value? 12. Hello. So at this point, if I want to find electric field, can anyone tell me what is the formula for electric field for a dipole along the axis? We know that electric field along the dipole along the axis will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube. 2p by r cube, and it will be directed from in the direction of p bar only. This will be
Yes,
E
sir.
axis. So it is, can I
This
say
is
it
for
is
short dipole. No?
parallel to, yes, one second, parallel to P bar. A short dipole only. Always, generally in nature, there are short dipoles only. No? It is not a magnet, no? It is an electric dipole. Like NaCl, HCl. Yes, they are all short
Yeah.
only. So if I need electric field along the equator, what will be the formula? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P by R cube. And the direction will be anti-parallel to P bar. Means if I need electric field here somewhere, let the distance be R. So electric field along the equator will be this way. Okay. So one is axis. This is axis. And second one is equator. Please remember the formulas. Otherwise, it will become very difficult for you to solve electrostats. This we have done. Now we go to the next part. That is the 12th standard. Okay, if you have your digester in front of you, it will become very simple for you. Okay. So we had done different electric intensities. सबसे पहले E bar due to a shell. It should become a conducting shell, or I can say conducting sphere also. Okay. Now, come on, please, tell me. If there is a shell, always remember the charge will reside where?
Outside this.
On the
On the
surface.
surface. This is capital R. Suppose I need, there are 3 points. Always remember we have selected 3 points. First point outside, second point, and third point will be somewhere inside. Correct?
Yes, sir.
We have done this thing. Can anyone tell me what is the formula for electric field outside?
AQ by
Yeah, tell me the full formula. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by choto r square. What does choto r stand for? Distance. Okay. Acha, if I want to write this formula in terms of sigma, Remember this thing, it is sigma upon epsilon naught bado r square upon choto r square.
R square.
Remember this thing, please. What is capital R square? What does capital R stand for?
Radius.
Radius.
Radius. This is E outside. अच्छा, what has to be done for E on the surface के लिए?
छोटा r को बड़ा r.
X by बड़ा.
What will be the one? 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q by capital R square. And this formula will become sigma upon epsilon naught only.
Yes.
Because bado R and choto R become the same. I have an understanding. Okay. Third one, how much is E inside?
0.
0. Because charge resides on the surface. So since
Surface.
no charge inside, there is no electric field inside. Okay. Second concept which we have studied in the theory is E bar due to a cylinder, infinitely long cylinder. Pay attention. So we know that there was an infinitely long cylinder. Just on. A very long cylinder it is. How much is the radius of the cylinder? Capital R. Again, I have selected 3 points from the axis. Outside, surface, inside. And what is the distance wherever we are going is small r. अच्छा, यहाँ पर whenever there is something, a term is made called as, what is that term called as? Lambda.
Gaussian.
No, lambda, charge per unit length. बराबर? Okay. It is charge per unit length. So can anyone tell me what is the formula for E outside the cylinder?
1/2 pi epsilon naught lambda by r.
Lambda by
Small
r.
r.
Very good. Very good. Beta. Whenever out is there, it is always small r only. And if I want to write this formula in terms of sigma, sigma upon epsilon naught, bado r by choto r.
Choto r.
If you remember over there, it was r square by r square. यहाँ पर it is r by r. याद रखना. अच्छा, what will be sigma over here? What is sigma stand? Sigma का formula charge per unit
A.
area.
Volume.
Area.
Area.
करेंगे ना?
Rho is for volume. Na?
Rho is for volume. Okay, but in our portion 12 standard, we don't have anything on rho.
That is for J and
That is
neat.
okay.
Yes, sir.
E on the surface की बात करेंगे तो 1/2 by epsilon naught
Not lambda by
Lambda by
capital R.
capital R, which could also be written as sigma upon epsilon naught. And E inside will become equal to what?
0.
0.
So I hope you all have seen the videos. Some people have given the test, तो उनको ज़्यादा अच्छा समझ में आ रहा होगा. Till you don't learn the derivations, you will not get the formulas obviously. And formulas अगर नहीं आएंगे तो आपको ये भी नहीं आएगा.
So magnetism test we can give till tomorrow, no?
Yeah, it is corrected only. You'll give it, but we'll correct it again also.
Acha.
Those who are not given, please give it. Okay, देखो अभी सीरियस हो जाओ थोड़ा थियरी के बारे में भी. पोर्शन तो कट डाउन हो गया है, तो स्कोर करना बहुत इजी हो गया है. एंड दैट विल हेल्प यू इन योर जेई एंड नीट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज फॉर्मूला तो वैसे ही याद करना ही है. ऐसे कभी भी नहीं हो सकता कि आप थियरी ना पढ़ो और सीधा जेई में जंप करो. आपको फॉर्मूला याद नहीं रहेंगे. ओके, चलो आगे. विल डिस्कस, वी हैड डिस्कस फॉर अ सिलेंडर. अच्छा, उसके आगे बढ़ता है. If I tell you what is E just outside a conductor. Okay, so if I take a conductor of any shape, and if I need just outside the conductor, What is the electric field just outside the conductor? किया है अभी, हमने अभी किया है. It is sigma upon epsilon naught, ना? Same as that of surface. Because just outside means like the surface only, na? In the gravitation also we have done, na? Just outside the
Yes.
earth means what? H is equal to 0 and छोटो r becomes equal to बड़ो r. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We have done this thing. D. Electric field due to thin sheet of charge. So if there is a thin sheet of charge where all the positive charges are staying here, where will electric field be there? Here also, and that side will be here also.
This
बराबर है क्या?
side also. Yes.
Just that.
Hmm.
So electric field will be sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. And directions, so we know it is directed away from the positive charge and towards the negative charge. I must be going a little slow because it is a theoretical concept. जो लोगों को आता रहेगा वो ठीक है. Okay. आगे. E bar due to metal plate. Okay. यहाँ पर चाहिए. What will be electric field? Sigma upon epsilon naught. Sigma upon epsilon naught. Okay. Getting it? याद रखना. इसके आगे हम लोग बढ़ते हैं.
So here for the metal plate and for the sheet of charge, we don't consider the distance, na?
No, we don't consider this.
Acha, okay.
Now we start with something called as potential due to a charge. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स को अगर आपको पक्का करना है तो 11th और 12th दोनों के वीडियोस आपको देखना पड़ेगा. ऐसे नहीं है कि सिर्फ आपने 12 देख लिया, आपको सब एक साथ में देखना पड़ेगा एंड यू हैव टू लर्न. ओके, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट सेपरेट, दे हैव मेड दिस थिंग सेपरेट. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स इज वन थिंग ओनली. So potential due to a point charge. So if there is a charge q and at a distance of r, if I need electric potential, formula तो पता है ना, 1/4 pi epsilon naught. Okay. Similar thing, potential energy between 2 point charges. So if there is 2 point charges q1 and q2 separated by a distance of r, we know the potential energy between them is 1/4 pi epsilon naught q1 by r. तो हम लोग दूसरे नाम से इंटरैक्शन एनर्जी के नाम से भी जानते हैं, इंटरैक्शन एनर्जी बिटवीन टू पार्टिकल्स. करेक्ट है क्या? और एक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होती है, सुनना मेरी बात प्लीज. सपोज दिस इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. दिस इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. वी नो दैट ये 2 पॉइंट्स लिया मैंने. इस लाइन का पोटेंशियल इज V1 एंड इस लाइन का पोटेंशियल इज V2. सुजल, हु इज बिगर बेटा, V1 के V2? V1 is because lines of force start from positive charge and end towards negative charge. हमको ये चीज तो पता ही है, ये चीज हमको पता ही है. अगर मैं यहाँ पर एक चार्ज प्लेस कर दूं, यहाँ पर एक चार्ज प्लेस कर दूं Q1 एंड यहाँ पर एक चार्ज रख दूं Q2. ध्यान रखना इसके ऊपर सम है, इसके लिए सिखा रहा हूँ मैं. ओके. Can anyone tell me what is the potential energy of Q1? Q1 into V1. Oh,
Hmm.
इसको बोलते हैं potential energy in the field. वैसे what will be potential energy of Q2?
Q2 bit.
Q2. Can anyone tell me what is potential energy of a system?
Q1 V1 plus Q2 V2.
Okay. Yes or no?
Yes.
Plus there will be some interaction energy between them.
Hmm.
Sir, what am I saying? Suppose इन दोनों के बीच में distance r है. So plus there will be interaction energy between them also. I hope everyone is understanding थोड़ा अच्छा वाला concept है. Yes or no? Hello? Yes or no? ठीक है. So उसको बोलते हैं potential energy in the field. आगे बढ़ते
So
हैं.
can you come to where you have you said potential energy due to field?
Come means what? I am on that page only, no?
No. Can you show that point again with your cursor?
This is potential energy of Q1, that is Q1 V1.
Huh.
This is potential energy of Q2, is Q2 V2. And interaction energy between them will become KQ1 Q2 by R, no?
Yes, sir. And potential energy due to field will be potential energy system, correct?
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
ठीक है. So this is there. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग. A very important formula, very important formula which I am doing is, remember, it is all about this formula. Do you remember minus of work done by conservative force?
Delta U.
U final minus
U.
initial. Okay. Those who are theory people, HSC people, they need to remember this formula, that minus of work done by conservative force. Beta, what is conservative force? Conservative force means electric force, gravitational force is final potential energy minus initial potential energy. उसी के सामने अगर हमको वर्क डन बाय एक्सटर्नल एजेंट चाहिए तो
U final.
will be U final minus U. Remember this thing. ये दोनों formulas बहुत काम के हैं. So all the HEC people, NEET वाले और JEE वाले को तो याद रखना है, इसके बिना तो sums ही solve नहीं होंगे. Okay. अच्छा आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग. Can I write work done as force into displacement from initial to final? Work done का formula क्या है ना? F bar dot ds bar, integration of that, because we are considering force to be non-uniform, will become U final minus U initial. और ये तो ऐसे ही हो जाएगा. F bar dot dr bar with a minus sign, without a minus sign, will become U final minus U initial. Hello? Are you all with me, right?
Hmm.
Look carefully, beta. Can I write this as F को लिख सकते हैं बेटा QE या Q naught E bar dot dr bar. F is equal to QE ना, E is F by Q. Hello? U final minus U initial. So it will become minus of integration of E bar dot dr bar. Can I take the Q naught down? So it will become UF by Q naught minus UI by Q naught. Hello? What is U by Q naught? Q by Q naught क्या है? V है ना, अभी तो किया था बेटा. U was what? Q into V. So what is V? U by Q na. Potential is defined as potential energy per unit test charge. So can I say this will become E bar dot dr bar V final minus V initial? This is a very important formula. चाहे आपको डेरिवेशन आए कि नहीं है, एक फॉर्मूला और ये दो फॉर्मूलास आपको याद रखना है. अच्छा वैसे ही ये फॉर्मूला और इसमें इधर क्या बन जाएगा बॉक्स, दूसरा बॉक्स कौन सा बनेगा इधर एक्सटर्नल एजेंट में? अगर हम एक्सटर्नल एजेंट की बात
माइनस
कर
नहीं
रहे हैं
होगा
तो
सर, माइनस नहीं
माइनस नहीं हो. E bar dot dr bar when you're talking about external agent will become V final minus V initial. This is all about external agent when you're talking about, and when you talk about conservative force this will be the answer. अच्छा one sec, just pay attention to me. थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ता है. ठीक है, this is okay. और एक फॉर्मूला आएगा which is very important, minus of work done by conservative force from initial to final, okay, will become what sir? क्या निकाला था हमने? पहला फॉर्मूला देखो ना, is u final minus u initial. ये देखा है कि नहीं? हेलो, what is u written as v by q? u को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? v by q. तो क्या मैं इसको लिख सकता हूँ माइनस ऑफ वर्क डन बाय कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स फ्रॉम इनिशियल टू फाइनल इज v फाइनल माइनस v इनिशियल अपॉन q नॉट.
यू को क्यू भी है ना सर,
हाँ सर,
क्यू भी है.
सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी,
V final minus V
या
initial होगा
वेट
सर.
वेट 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 वेट, ओके प्लीज. will become q into v final minus v initial. Yes or no? So remember one thing, that whenever you are talking about conservative force, minus of work done by conservative force from A to B will become q naught. What will become? VB minus VA. Are you understanding what's happening? So if they talk about A to B, you have to do B minus A with a minus sign over there. Hello? Or this could also be written as, if I take the minus sign that way, work done by conservative force from A to B will be Q naught VA minus VB. हेलो, तो कुछ लोग ये याद करते हैं, कुछ लोग ऐसे याद करते हैं, जो याद करना है. अच्छा यही चीज एक्सटर्नल एजेंट में लेके जाएगी तो कैसे लेके जाएगी? इसका उल्टा कर दो. वर्क डन बाय एक्सटर्नल एजेंट from A to B will become Q naught VB minus VA. Hello, you are understanding what's happening? Lot of derivation, lot of things, but these are very important formulas. जो HSC वाले हैं उनको मैं recommend करूंगा 1, 2, 3 and 4. बस this much only. बाकी जेई वाले नीट वाले को तो सब याद ही रखना है, सब कोई दूसरा वो है नहीं. ओके, गॉट इट ना? अच्छा आगे, if I tell you what is the relation between E bar and V, can anyone tell me the formula?
E bar is equals to minus dv by dr.
Minus dV by dr. Yes or no? But it will be okay with a vector sign, whether it is I cap, J cap, I can write this as N cap. If there is a three-dimensional vector, तो कैसे लिखना है इसको? E bar will become minus del V by
dv
del
by dr I cap
I cap
plus dv by dx j cap
y J cap
by dv by dz k
dV
cap.
by dz K cap. This we have done before. Okay, those who don't know, just remember the magnitude format of E is minus dV by dx. इस फॉर्मूले का क्या मतलब है? जो HSE वाला है वो ये याद रख लेना। क्या फॉर्मूला है, क्या मतलब है इसका E का? What do you mean by minus dV by dx?
Potential gradient.
No. What does that mean? Yes, beta. That if you go in the direction of electric field, potential will,
Decrease.
Decrease.
this will be V1 is greater than V2. Yes or no? Fine. Okay. Okay. Now we come back. 2-3 formulas are left more. Dipole हमने पढ़ा है, dipole. Yes sir. Dipole क्या था? Minus and plus. Separated by what distance?
Finite.
2L. P bar was there. If I want to find potential at any distance R at an angle theta. Potential at any distance R at point P from theta. What is the formula for potential at point P? Yes, this we have done it in the 11th standard derivation. Yes, tell me what is potential at any random point P? क्या था भाई? 1/4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta by R square. P cos theta by R square. P cos theta by R square. If I put theta as 0, what do you mean by that? It is along the axis. 1/4 pi epsilon naught P by R square. If I put along the equator, then yeah, tell me please. Theta 90. So it will be V equal to 0.
0.
So this is the main formula. Remember this thing? Okay. Next. If there is an electric field and if I want to rotate a dipole from theta 1 to theta 2, can anyone tell me what is the formula? Work done in rotating the dipole will become P
P into 1 minus cos theta.
cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Some books have taken 1 minus cos theta also, but actual formula is this: P cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Hello? Yes or no? And what is potential energy of a dipole? P bar dot E bar with a minus sign. That is minus PE cos theta. Okay. So this finishes your part 1 of electrostats. Formula has to be known. Otherwise, you will not be able to do it only. Okay. If you know the formulas, 50% of the things will become easier for you. I'll share the slide now. You can start then.
So next time we will be doing capacitance and all up for HSC.
Yeah, till capacitance are not over, I cannot do it. Na? You should know the basic formulas.
Okay.
थोड़ा मेहनत करो capacitors के पीछे. Then once you know the formula, it will become smooth for you. Otherwise, I have to teach everything.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
शुरू करते हैं. Some couple of questions are there. Star mark, you know. So I have given the names also properly this time. Question number 5, which is star mark. Two charges minus 4q and plus 2q are located at 2a comma 0 respectively, and 5a comma 0. 5a comma 0 over here is missing. Okay, so 2a comma 0 पर है and 5a comma 0 पर है. I'll make the 2a पर कौन है minus 4q और 5a comma 0 पर कौन है plus
Plus
2q.
2q.
What is the electric flux due to these charges through a sphere of radius 4a with its center at the origin? So radius will be 4a से पास होगा, मतलब ऐसे जाएगा ना. Are you all understanding? Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can I say this is the outside one and this is the enclosed one? If I need the flux, general formula for total flux is
Q,
summation
by
of q
epsilon.
enclosed by epsilon naught.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me what is the summation of q enclosed by the Gaussian surface or by the closed surface?
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Q by epsilon naught is the flux total.
This is the answer.
This is the answer.
Yes.
We are not taking the plus 2q because according to Gauss theorem, we are just wanting the charges enclosed
Inside.
by the surface and not outside. We cannot take outside. Okay, so I hope it is clear only. Hello, Asha. Tomorrow, all the HSC people will again attend. There will be doubt solving based on electrostats again. तो कुछ भी थियरी में डाउट है, न्यूमेरिकल में डाउट है, आप लोगों को डाउट सॉल्विंग अटेंड करना है प्लीज, सो दैट और पक्का हो जाएगा. We come to question number 9 is given. A sphere of radius 10 cm. अच्छा, यहाँ पर डेटा लिखना इंपॉर्टेंट है. बड़ो r is 10 cm means 0.1 meter. Carries a charge of 1 micro means minus 6 coulomb. Calculate the electric field at a distance of 30 cm. Distance means
Okay.
छोटो r is 30 cm from the center, so 0.3 meter. This is the first part if they are asking. Second
Q by
part, what are they
छोटा r.
asking? एक minute बेटा. Bhavin, please wait. At the surface of the sphere, surface means what?
छोटा r is equals to बड़ा r.
बड़ो r पर ही find करना है, that is 0.1 meter पर find करना है. And तीसरा at a distance of 5 cm. At a distance of
0.
5 cm. 5 cm मतलब 0.05 meter. एक मिनट बेटा. Bhavin, एक मिनट रुक जाओ. Okay. All others are also there ना. तो ये एक sphere है. This is capital R. Okay. Where does the charge reside on the surface? We know it. And how much is the charge outside? This much. अच्छा, पहला point में we need to find at a distance of 0.3 meter. Can I say this is 0.1 meter? Where will 0.3 meter lie? Now, Bhavin, you can say
Outside.
outside. So first में हमको क्या find करना है? हमको find करना है E outside. What is the formula for E outside? 1 upon
K
4
4 pi epsilon naught Q by छोटा r square.
छोटो r square. 1 upon 4 by epsilon naught beta is 9
into 10 raised to 9.
Q is 1 into 10 raised to minus 6.
Minus 6.
Small r is 0.09.
0.09.
Hello.
Yes,
This
sir.
will go 100 times. So this will be 9 minus 6, that is 3, 4, 5. So it will become 10 raised to 5 Newton per coulomb. This is the first part. Second part, what are they telling you? E on the surface. What is the formula? 1 upon 4 by epsilon naught.
Q by बड़ा r square.
बड़ो r square. So this will be 1/4 by epsilon naught. Capital R is 0.1 ka square is 0.01. This answer, I'll just take the answers from there only, which is given is 9 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per coulomb. Third wala, where do we
Zero.
require?
0.
Inside.
See, this point is inside the sphere. Because you can see the distance is lesser than the radius. Choto r is less than r. यहाँ पर छोटो r is equal to r. And यहाँ पर छोटो r is greater than r. I hope everyone is understanding. So this E inside will become equal to 0. Because where are the charges located or residing on the surface? There is no
Surface.
electric field inside because electric field is going to originate from the surface. I hope everyone has understood this thing. Okay. Fine. We move ahead. Question number 14. And one thing is good is in front of you only. So you can just turn pages, refer. Okay. Question number 14. Electric field is given 0.9 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per coulomb is produced due to an infinitely long straight wire. Can I say it is like an infinite cylinder? Beta, if you read, it is infinitely long straight wire means it is infinite cylinder. We have done it for the cylinder. Whatever will be in the portion that will only be asked at a distance of 3 cm. At a distance of 3 cm, distance means small r is 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Calculate the linear charge density of the wire means what I need to find, beta. Lambda I need to find.
Lambda.
Can anyone tell me what is E for the cylinder?
1/2 pi epsilon.
Power 2 pi epsilon.
1/2 pi epsilon naught lambda by choto r. Okay, now pay attention to me. What is E cylinder given? 0.9 into 10 raised to 4. Can anyone tell me what is 1/4 pi epsilon naught?
9 into 10 is to 9.
1/2 pi epsilon naught will be double of the 9
Yes.
into 10 is to 9. By that was 1/4. This is half. So it will become, this will become 18 into 10 raised to 9. Lambda, I don't know. And choto r, as you told me, how much is given? That is 3 into 10 raised to minus 2. So lambda यहाँ से आपको दिखाई देगा. Unit will be coulomb per meter because it is charge per unit length will become 3 into 10 raised to minus 8. I hope everyone is understanding what's happening, right? Question number 14 done. तो अगर आपको फॉर्मूलाज आते रहेंगे तो एकदम स्मूथली आपका जाएगा और नहीं आते रहेंगे तो हर मोड पे आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. We are going to the next question, which is 15. Pay attention. If you read this question, what are they talking about? Which body is they talking about? Again, the length of
Thin
a
wire.
thin wire. Thin wire is like a cylinder. Hello?
Yes, sir.
They are giving you length is 2 meter and it has positive charge of 3 microcoulomb. इन दोनों यूनिट से क्या मिलेगा? इन दोनों चीजों से क्या मिलेगा आपको? Hello?
Lambda.
Lambda.
You'll get lambda. Q by L. Because all formulas for cylinder is in terms of lambda. 10 is to minus 6 by. Can I write this as 1.5 to 10 is to minus 6 coulomb per meter? This is an important information which we'll be using. Calculate the charge density. हाँ, charge density तो निकाल ही लिया, देखो ना भाई, ये तो निकालना ही था वरना उसके कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते. सेकंड पॉइंट क्या निकालना है? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 1.5 meter away. Come on. Electric field due to a cylinder again. 1/2 pi
Epsilon naught lambda by r.
1/2 pi epsilon naught is 18 into 10 raised to 9. Lambda is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 by small r is given as 1.5. Let's cancel. So 18 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per coulomb. This is E for whom? Cylinder. Getting it? I hope everyone is understanding. Ekdam smooth hai. Hello? Yes? Okay. We'll go ahead. कौन से questions आ गए यार? 32. Right or what? Okay, question number 17 is missing. 17 पढ़ लेते हैं, है ना डाइजेस्ट आप लोग के पास? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
17 पढ़ लेते हैं. 17 is missing, is star marked है. The charge per unit length of a flat sheet. Charge per unit length मतलब क्या? लैम्बडा दिया है कि सिग्मा है कि रो है, क्या है? बोलो.
Sigma.
कैसे
Sir,
पता चला बेटा
sir,
आपको? यूनिट
units
से
per
पता
meter
चला.
square.
या आपको यूनिट से पता चलेगा. इट इज सिग्मा. कितना है? 3 माइक्रो कूलम पर मीटर स्क्वायर. दैट इज 3 into 10 raised to -6 कूलम पर मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली एक चार्ज शीट पे तो सरफेस पे रहेगा ना. कैलकुलेट द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट अ पॉइंट नियर टू द कंडक्टर. मींस आई नीड E
Sigma by
just
epsilon naught.
outside, just outside the sheet. What is the formula? Sigma upon 2
Sigma by
epsilon naught.
epsilon naught.
Sigma upon 2 is for a sheet.
Ah,
For a
yes,
sheet.
yes.
फॉर्मूला बराबर से याद करें. सिग्मा कितना है? 3 into
3
10
into
is to
10 is to
minus 6. Sigma 2 epsilon naught we know is 8.85 into 10 is to -12. This answer will come 1.7 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per coulomb. So this was E, which was the 17th star marked question. Got it now? These are all 2 marks or 1 mark question depending on the question. Now we come to, this is a big jump I think so, because there are no numericals. Okay, we'll come to question number 32. I think 31 is also missing. He must have missed 31. हम लोग 32 पे पहले आते हैं, फिर 31. दोनों सेम ही टाइप है. 32 पे बात करते हैं बेटा. अब ये जो फॉर्मूलाज आ गए हैं वो पोटेंशियल के फॉर्मूलाज है. पढ़ो जरा. हेलो, जरा पढ़ो. अब ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैंने आपको याद है फॉर्मूला कहा था. व्हाट इज वर्क डन बाय एक्सटर्नल एजेंट फ्रॉम ए टू बी?
UF minus UI.
एक मिनट. वर्क डन बाय एक्सटर्नल एजेंट फ्रॉम ए टू बी.
VA minus VB.
क्यू नॉट.
Q naught VB minus V.
V minus.
I said
VB
not
VB
VA
minus.
minus VB.
हेलो, एज आई टोल्ड यू थियरी वाले को ये फॉर्मूला. अच्छा, यही इसकी जगह पे कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स होता तो
Or minus sign. Or in
Minus.
minus work done
या तो माइनस
conservative
साइन कर
force.
दो या तो ए बी कर दो.
Just swap it.
तो दिस इज, हाँ दिस इज ए बी, तो यहाँ पे बी माइनस ए आएगा. अगर कंजर्वेटिव होगा तो
external.
ए बी. या ओके, रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. अच्छा, रीड द क्वेश्चन नाउ. सॉल्यूशन. 120 joules of work is done. This work done in carrying a charge. Suppose work done by external agent is 120 joules in carrying a charge. Which charge are we talking about? Q naught. 6 coulomb का charge है. From where potential is 10. मतलब potential at A, because we are talking, he is taking from A to B ना बेटा. So initial point is A. Initial point is A. So what is VA? 10 volt. What is VB? V volt, which I don't know. Are you agreeing with me?
Yes, sir.
What has to be done? Nothing. Just substitute in this formula. This is 120. Q naught is 6. VB is V minus 10. What will be V equal to? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Don't थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है, मगर ये मार्क्स भी अच्छे खासे मिलेंगे इसके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 पर आता है. 31 क्या दिया हुआ है? Potential at any point A in an electric field is given as 4 into 10 raised to 5 volt. Find the work done. Whenever they tell you work done, it is work done by external agent only. Yeah? Till it is not specified. In bringing a charge, which charge are you talking about? Q naught. This is 3 microcoulomb from infinity. Infinity means what? Hello?
V0.
No, this is V. V is 0. This is infinity. 2.A. अच्छा अभी ध्यान से, हाँ बेटा ध्यान से मेरी बात सुनो. Work done by external agent. Who's going to help me? कहाँ से कहाँ तक लेके जाना है according to the question?
V infinity
V
to
infinity
VA.
VA.
Infinity to A तक लेकर जाना है. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
मतलब A की जगह ले लिया infinity ने और B की जगह ले लिया A ने.
A.
What will be the formula?
Q naught
Q naught
VA.
into VA minus V infinity.
infinity.
V final minus V initial. आपने ऐसे याद किया ना, वर्क डन बाय एक्सटर्नल एजेंट फ्रॉम इनिशियल टू फाइनल इज Q नॉट V फाइनल माइनस V इनिशियल. भाई ये नहीं आएगा, इसको थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा आपको. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
अब आपको क्या निकालना है? आपको निकालना है वर्क डन. तो यही फॉर्मूला मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगा. वर्क डन फॉर इन्फिनिटी, एक्सटर्नल एजेंट इन्फिनिटी टू A which I don't know. Q naught is given as 3 into 10 raised to minus 6. VA is 4 into 10 raised to 5 minus V infinity तो 0 होता है. So this will become 12 into 10 raised to minus 1, that is 1.2 joules. Yes or no, sir?
Yes.
Achha, this is the
Yes, sir.
what is second part telling you? Does the answer depend on the path? No,
No.
because it is which force beta?
Conservative.
Conservative force is भाई इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स की बात हो रही है ना, इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स फील्ड की बात हो रही है. इट इज अ कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स. कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स इज पाथ
Path independent.
इंडिपेंडेंट.
It is state dependent, na?
Yeah, it depends on initial as well as final state. देखो ना, initial state as well as final state. Okay, इसको कहते हैं state function. It is not a path function. I hope everyone is getting everything. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Question number 41. We have time now. RD बजा, ठीक है. A wire is bent in the form of a circle of radius 10 cm. There was a wire which was bent in the form of a circle. इसका radius था 10 cm. Is given a charge 250 microcoulomb, it spreads uniformly. So वही charge जो था यहाँ पर वो ऐसे ऐसे आ गया, circumference पे आ जाएगा ना.
Hmm.
Find the potential where at the center. I know center हो या surface हो,
It's the same.
potential is
Same.
going to remain the same.
Same.
Potential at the surface and potential at the center is same. जो theory वाले को पता नहीं है, can anyone tell me what is electric field inside?
Zero.
Mhm.
Zero. Electric field zero रहेगा. तो अगर electric field zero है अंदर की तरफ
Potential is
सर्कल के
constant.
उसमें, तो potential will become constant.
Constant.
Okay, so potential is constant is same as that of surface. Potential is constant equal to that of surface. What is potential along the surface?
1 upon
4 pi epsilon naught
naught Q by capital R.
2 by capital R. What is 1 upon 4 by epsilon naught? 9 into
9
10
into
raised
10
to
raised
9.
to 9.
Q is given as 250 micro
50 into 10 raised to minus 6.
by capital R is 10 cm, that is 0.1. So this answer will be कितना हो गया यार, मल्टीप्लाई करो 2.25 into 10 raised to 7 volts. Got it?
Hmm.
Hmm. Hmm. fine. एक्चुअली थोड़ा ये जो फॉर्मूला है वो रिंग का फॉर्मूला है. कैन एनीवन थोड़ा और हाई लेवल का डिस्कशन? हाई लेवल नहीं है वो. ये कोई बता सकता है ये रिंग के लिए है? अगर ये डिस्टेंस r हुआ और ये डिस्टेंस x हुआ तो इधर पोटेंशियल कितना रहेगा?
k qx upon r square plus x square is to 2/3.
नहीं भाई, कौन सा फॉर्मूला है ये?
half is to half
हाँ
potential.
k q by root of r
r
square plus
x
x square.
square is to half, sorry.
ओके. भाविन, अगर मैं सेंटर पे चला जाऊं तो x कितना हो जाएगा?
r बड़ा r.
ए? नहीं भाई,
जीरो
x
जीरो
कितना हो जाएगा?
Zero.
जीरो.
अगर मैं सेंटर पे चला
Zero.
जाऊंगा तो x 0. कैन आई
Yes,
से
sir.
v सेंटर में क्या डालना है? x को 0 डालना है. तो आपको फॉर्मूला क्या आएगा?
AQ by R.
एक्चुअली इधर से आ रही है. एक्चुअली आप समझ रहे हो, ये जो चीज है वो इधर से आ रही है. गॉट इट?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
मगर सिंस आपको रिंग पढ़ाया ही नहीं गया है HSC में तो हम ऐसे पकड़ लेते हैं. बट एक्चुअली रियली यू हैव टू कंसिडर दिस. आई आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ? ओके.
We took it as a sphere which is
हाँ,
conducting.
which is हाँ, that was the thing because आपके पोर्शन में नहीं था
हाँ,
और
correct.
उन्होंने वही क्वेश्चन दे दिया आपको, तो लोग फिर पढ़ेंगे कैसे? ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. अभी ये थोड़े डाइपोल के क्वेश्चंस है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 47 एंड इफ यू सी दैट दे आर जस्ट फॉर्मूला बेस्ड, कुछ सोचना नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. अगर आपको फॉर्मूला आता है तो आपको काम हो जाएगा. अ शॉर्ट डाइपोल हैज डाइपोल मोमेंट, क्या दिया है? P 1 into 10 raised to minus 9 centimeter, तो minus 11 मीटर. Determine the potential of a dipole. क्या निकालना है? Potential of a dipole V at a distance, मतलब छोटो r is 0.3 मीटर from the center of a dipole situated along the axis. तो पहला केस में कह रहा है I need V axis. सेकंड केस में कह रहा है I need V equator.
At
सब
60
फॉर्मूला
degree.
निकाला हो 1 मिनट. एंड तीसरा वाला कितना थीटा पर?
60.
60 डिग्री पर. चलो V का जनरल फॉर्मूला अगर आपको याद रहेगा, आप लोगों ने अभी बताया था 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट P cos थीटा बाय r स्क्वायर. हेलो, P
Yes, sir.
cos थीटा बाय r स्क्वायर. इफ यू टेल मी व्हाट इज V एक्सिस, एक्सिस पर थीटा कितना होता है?
Zero.
0. या तो उस तरफ रहेगा तो 180.
180.
बेटा पता है ना,
Yeah.
राइट हैंड साइड पे रहेगा तो 0, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे रहेगा तो 180. तो इफ आई राइट दिस, यू हैव टू राइट इट एज प्लस एंड माइनस
Plus and minus. Yeah.
1/4 बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट P बाय r स्क्वायर. तो V प्लस माइनस 1/4 बाय एप्सिलॉन 9 into 10⁻⁹. P का वैल्यू कितना है? 1 into 10⁻⁻11 by r square. R is 0.3 का स्क्वायर is 0.09. You will get the resultant answer in volt. अच्छा ठीक है, सेकंड पॉइंट पे आता है. Can anyone tell me what is V इक्वेटर पे थीटा?
Zero, sir.
0.
नहीं, थीटा कितना होता है?
Theta is 90 degrees.
90.
90. So potential will be 0 volt. See? Potential at any random theta will become 1/4 by epsilon naught P cos theta, but theta is 60 degree by r square. become 9 into 10⁻⁹. P का वैल्यू दिया है 1 into 10⁻⁻11 by r square. R is 0.09. I hope you all are getting it. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है भाई.
Also, cos 60 degree का value.
Cos 60 is
हाँ.
ठीक है. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 48. A charge q is moved from A above the dipole to a point B below the dipole. इस पॉइंट पर था इनिशियल, इस पॉइंट पर आ गया फाइनल. फाइंड द वर्क डन. वर्क डन बाय एक्सटर्नल एजेंट का फॉर्मूला बताओ फटाफट. फ्रॉम इनिशियल टू फाइनल, यार टेल मी यार, ऐसे मत करो।
Final minus initial.
V final minus V initial. सुजल, am I correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But
Q
equipotential.
नॉट को Q नॉट ही रखो। I know that this is along the equator. इसका पोटेंशियल 0 होता है। अच्छा, इधर भी पोटेंशियल कितना है? 0।
0.
हम
Since
0 minus 0,
equipotential.
0 जूल। ये पूरी लाइन को क्या बोलते हैं? वर्ड पढ़ाया था मैंने आपको।
Equipotential
Equipotential.
इस
surface.
लाइन को कहते हैं इक्विपोटेंशियल लाइन। और अगर यहाँ पर एक सरफेस बना दिया जाए ऐसे, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Equipotential surface. If I pass a plane along the YZ plane, along which plane?
YZ.
Z plane. तो यहाँ पर ये जो सरफेस कहलाएगा वो क्या कहलाएगा? इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस कहलाएगा। Who has messaged? Okay, HSC students are attend Veerav sir. It is optional, beta. If you want to attend, you can attend. If you don't want to attend, you cannot attend. You don't attend. देखो क्या होगा, फायदा ये है आपका अटेंड करने में कि स्टार्टिंग के जो MCQs आते हैं ना, हेलो सुनने में आ रहा है ना? स्टार्टिंग में जो बेटा
Yes.
MCQs आते हैं ना, उससे थोड़ा फायदा हो जाएगा, रिवीजन हो जाएगा चैप्टर का। ओके, अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है, अगर आपको सेमीकंडक्टर अच्छी तरीके से आता है तो डोंट सिट, बट सर वैसे ही रिवाइज ही करेंगे तो थियरी में तो हेल्प करेगा ही, बिकॉज उसमें भी MCQs होते ही है ना, 14 MCQs तो होते ही है, तो किधर कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा। इट इज ऑप्शनल, बैठना है तो बैठो, नहीं बैठना है तो मत बैठो। फॉर द थियरी भी बोला, HSC सॉरी CET एंड नीट हैव टू सिट। चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 50th क्वेश्चन, ध्यान देना। Two charges 5 into 10 is to minus 8 and minus 3 into 10 is to minus 8 are located 16 centimeters apart.
नल पॉइंट वाला है सर।
एक मिनट बताइए भाविन, एक मिनट। हाँ, on the line joining we want to find where electric potential is 0. अब सब लोग ध्यान दो, जो HSC वाले वो लोग खास करके ध्यान दो। कह रहा है दो चार्जेस है, नेमली Q1 एंड Q2। क्या लाइक है क्या अनलाइक है? अब भाविन आप बताओ, लाइक है क्या अनलाइक है?
Like.
अनलाइक है, अनलाइक है।
Like.
देखो एक क्या है, एक 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 है, और दूसरा वाला कौन सा है? minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 8। सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, दोनों के बीच में किधर एक ऐसे पॉइंट रहेगा where the potential will become 0। वैसे ही सिस्टम के बाहर भी ऐसे एक पॉइंट रहेगा where the potential will become equal to 0। Always remember there will be 2 points, one inside the system, one inside the line joining the 2 points, and outside the line joining the 2 points where the potential will become equal to 0। Okay, इस पॉइंट का क्या नाम है सुजल?
Null point.
इस पॉइंट को कहते हैं नल पॉइंट। ओके, पॉइंट को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? नल पॉइंट। सबसे पहले हम लोग है ना पॉइंट 1 के बारे में बात करेंगे। पॉइंट 1 के बारे में चर्चा करते हैं स्लोली एकदम। यहाँ पर दिस वाज Q1, दिस इज Q2। पॉइंट 1 कहाँ लिया हमने? इधर किधर लिया? लेट दिस डिस्टेंस बी बेटा
The
x।
smaller charge.
हाँ, लेट दिस डिस्टेंस बी, ये डिस्टेंस सॉरी ये डिस्टेंस को x पकड़ लो। फ्रॉम ऑलवेज रिमेंबर x is taken from the
Add
smaller
a
charge।
smaller magnitude.
स्मॉलर चार्ज, स्मॉलर मैग्नीट्यूड वाला चार्ज से हम लोग लेते हैं। तो ये छोटा है ना बेटा, ये 3 का मैग्नीट्यूड छोटा है देखो, और 5 का मैग्नीट्यूड बड़ा है। तो x हमेशा कहाँ से पकड़ना है हमको? x हमेशा हमको पकड़ना है
Q1 से।
कहाँ से?
Q2.
भाविन कहाँ से पकड़ेंगे?
Q2 सर।
Q2 क्यों? क्योंकि उसका नंबर वैल्यू कितना है? 3 है, और सामने वाले का नंबर वैल्यू कितना है? 5 है। तो कौन बड़ा? माइनस और प्लस साइन को मत देखो तुम लोग। हेलो, तो वी कंसिडर,
Magnitude.
एक मिनट मेरी बात सुनो, ये है -3 into 10 raised to -8 कूलम, and this is 5 into 10 raised to -8 कूलम, और यहां से मैंने नल पॉइंट पकड़ा, इधर किधर आएगा 1 पॉइंट, लेट दिस डिस्टेंस बी x. ओके, so this distance will be what sir? 16 minus x, because total distance 16 है ना दोनों के बीच में. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
अच्छा पॉइंट 1 की बात करते हैं. एट पॉइंट 1 हाउ मच
So
इज द पोटेंशियल?
16 cm.
हाँ cm है, ठीक है, वो तो वैसे ही कैंसिल हो जाएगा ना दोनों साइड में.
Yes.
हाउ मच इज द पोटेंशियल एट 1 वी वांट 0,
D
मींस आई
by
नीड, एक मिनट, नल पॉइंट, आराम से, एकदम आराम से. पोटेंशियल का जनरल फॉर्मूला क्या है? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon
epsilon q by r.
q by r. तो 2 है, इधर शॉर्टकट वॉर्टकट नहीं लेगा, सीधा 0 मिलेगा आप लोग को. हाँ हाँ, सीधा 0 मिल जाएगा.
Yes, sir. Here
1
you'll have
upon
to show
4
the
pi
working.
epsilon naught q by r. So can I write this as, it will be 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 by 16 minus x. इसका पोटेंशियल, दूसरे वाले का पोटेंशियल क्या है? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q का वैल्यू कितना है? minus 10 into 10 is to minus 8
upon x.
by x should become equal to 0. Can I say the net potential is 0? या दूसरा तरीका क्या है? दोनों के पोटेंशियल को इक्वेट कर दो, वो भी 0 को लेके आएगा. बराबर है क्या? या तो दोनों के पोटेंशियल को बराबर बराबर कर दो, या तो ऐसे फॉर्मूला लिखो, द नेट पोटेंशियल हैज टू बी 0. हेलो,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज कॉमन?
1 upon 4
इसको एक
pi
काम करते हैं, इसको एक
epsilon
काम करते
naught.
हैं, इसको वो साइड पे लेके जाते हैं. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 by 16 minus x is 1
Is
upon
equals
4 pi epsilon naught 3 into
3.
10 raised to minus 8 by x. ये उड़ गया, ये उड़ गया, minus 8 उड़ गया. Can I cross multiply? Can I say 5x is equal to 16 minus x into 3?
48 minus
कितना हो गया ये? 48 minus 3x.
x.
So 8x will become equal to 48. So x will become कितना मीटर?
6
6
centimeter.
सेंटीमीटर. तो अगर x 6 सेंटीमीटर है तो वो वाला डिस्टेंस कितना रहेगा? 10 सेंटीमीटर. बेटा ये 10 सेंटीमीटर है और ये कितना सेंटीमीटर है? 6 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट पॉइंट 1. बराबर. तो यहाँ पर अगर आपको स्टेटमेंट वाइज लिखना है तो आपको लिखना पड़ेगा नल पॉइंट इज ऑब्टेन्ड at a distance of 6 centimeter from Q2, between the line joining two charges. हेलो, ये पहला वाला, ये 4 मार्क का समय है एक्चुअली. दे मस्ट हैव गिवन 3 मार्क दिया है, बट 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है ये. अच्छा, सपोज अभी आते हैं हम लोग कौन से पॉइंट की तरफ? बाहर के पॉइंट की तरफ. बेटा ये कौन है?
Sir, can you go back
Q1.
one, sir?
एक मिनट. Q1 Q2.
Sir, here in the question they have written, take the potential at infinity to be 0. Why is this
Potential,
mentioned,
yes,
sir?
that is reference. This is reference taken. This is the reference taken. Understand? Nothing
Means what,
else.
sir?
Means what? What is definition of potential? Work done in bringing the charge from
Infinity to a given point.
infinity पे work done कितना रहेगा? 0.
0. अच्छा, okay.
Definition को satisfy करने के लिए और कुछ
Yes,
नहीं है,
sir,
उसका
yes.
कोई वो नहीं है.
Yeah.
Okay, that is in the definition only. इसका वैल्यू कितना था? 5 into 10 is to minus 8. इसका वैल्यू कितना है? minus 3 into 10 is to minus 8. अच्छा, पॉइंट 2 कहाँ लेना है?
बाहर से
किसके
From
नजदीक?
Q2.
Q2 के पास.
Always remember, it is always have to be taken near to the छोटो
Smaller.
charge.
हाँ, Q2.
Can I say this will be your point 2? At this point, potential has to be 0. So
Yes,
let this distance be x.
that is 16 plus x.
ये तो 16 ही है ना?
So we take it as x only, na? Okay, we take it
या
as
x ले लो,
अच्छा,
x ले लो.
not a problem,
सम
ना?
तो इंडिपेंडेंट हो गया ना सम.
अच्छा, okay, sir.
Okay, चलो. Potential at 2 is 0. फॉर्मूला बताओ सबका. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught
Q1 by
5 into 10 raised to minus
8 upon 16 plus x.
plus
1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q2 minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 upon x.
0. It will be 1 upon 4 by epsilon naught. I hope everyone is getting it right. Cross multiply. Two x will become 48. So x will be, hello,
24
what statement will you write?
11 upon t is obtain 24 centimeters outside q2.
Yeah. Correct hai?
Mm.
At a
Hello?
distance of 24 centimeters from Q2 outside
From
the
Q2.
system.
Yes, from Q2 outside the system. Are you all understanding what's happening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remember it. ठीक है?
Mm.
Yes, sir.
We have time. 1-2 sums more and finished. 70.
64 missed हो गया
64
लगता
is missed. 64 is missed. ठीक है, पहले 64 देख लेते हैं. Question number 64. A small particle carries a negative charge. कितना charge है उसका? Minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 10 coulombs. 19 coulombs, sorry. Is suspended in equilibrium. What do you mean by the word equilibrium?
F net is 0.
F net is 0 उसके ऊपर. Between two plates. ये तो शायद कल ही किया था हमने. इसमें दो प्लेट है, यहाँ पर एक चार्ज फ्लोट हो रहा है.
QE is equals to mg.
हाँ. Okay. What is the distance between the two plates?
10 centimeters.
मेरी बात सुनना सब लोग. And the potential difference between them, is 4000 volt.
4000 volts.
Okay. मेरी बात सुनना. अच्छा, can I say he is floating? This guy is floating. This charge is floating. What is going to take him down?
Weight mg.
Can I say if he wants to float, there should be an equal and opposite force in the upward direction, and that force will be electric force. And what is electric force ka formula? QE.
QE.
And they are telling you that this guy is in equilibrium. Equilibrium means net force on him is 0. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha, can you tell me where is the electric field directed from where to where?
High to low.
No, that we know, high to low, but where is the electric field in the diagram directed? Upward or downward?
Sir, down to up.
Yeah. Why? Because this charge is यहाँ पे थोड़ा
Pulled
okay.
up. But electric force
Yeah.
is pulling it upwards.
Electric force is pulling it upward. Now remember one concept, which is very important. Everyone, if this is an electric field, and if a positive charge is placed over here, it will move in the direction of the field.
So, what were you saying after the field is upwards? My internet got disconnected.
No, nothing. I'm just explaining the concept only. If this is an electric field, and if a positive charge is placed, the force acting on him is QE. Acha, if a negative charge is placed, what will happen? Negative charge is placed. What will happen?
Direction.
Yeah. What will be the force?
QE.
Minus QE. QE. QE in the opposite direction. Yes or no? Hello? अच्छा, can you tell me यहाँ पर जो चार्ज है दो प्लेट के बीच में, is it a positive charge or a negative charge?
Negative.
नेगेटिव चार्ज, नेगेटिव चार्ज के ऊपर फोर्स ऊपर लग रहा है, तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कहाँ होनी चाहिए? नीचे।
छः।
हाँ
Yes, sir.
भाई अगर नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और फोर्स उल्टे डायरेक्शन में होते हैं। देखो इसका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इधर है
yes.
मगर फोर्स उल्टा है, तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपको याद रखना है। अगर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी वही डायरेक्शन में, फोर्स भी वही डायरेक्शन में। अगर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी इधर एंड फोर्स भी इधर। बट अगर एक नेगेटिव चार्ज है तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अगर इधर हुआ, फोर्स इधर रहेगा। आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Yes.
अच्छा,
sir.
यहाँ पर जो Q है वो नेगेटिव है, तो सूजल विल टेल मी फोर्स ऊपर है तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कहाँ होनी चाहिए?
नीचे।
So the electric field has to be directed this way between the plates. क्या समझ में आ रही है बात? हेलो, मतलब ऊपर का प्लेट कौन सा चार्ज होना चाहिए और नीचे का प्लेट कौन सा चार्ज होना चाहिए?
Plus.
Plus will be
नीचे
up,
का minus.
हाँ,
upper one.
lines of force start from positive and end towards
Negative.
negative. क्या समझ में आ रही है बात?
Yes.
हेलो, फिर से याद रखना, पॉजिटिव चार्ज में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड फोर्स आर इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, नेगेटिव चार्ज में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड फोर्स आर देयर इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन। तो वही कॉन्सेप्ट लेके हम लोग यहाँ पर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। अच्छा, सॉल्यूशन, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का फॉर्मूला क्या है? V by D. What is the formula for electric field? V by D. V by D. What is V stand? What is V given in the question? अरे बोलो ना।
4000.
And what is D given?
10 centimeter.
ये कितना हो गया?
40,000.
And where is it directed? Downward. बराबर है? You can write this as minus J cap also. बोलो yes or no?
Yes. sir.
अच्छा, can I say the charge is floating? Charge is at rest. मतलब क्या? F net कितना है उसके ऊपर? Zero.
Zero.
F net zero है, मतलब नीचे का जो mg है और
वो भी
ऊपर का
zero.
QE है,
QE.
is balancing QE. mg is balancing
QE.
mg is balancing QE. आपको m चाहिए। अगर आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे तो दे आस्किंग यू मास ऑफ द पार्टिकल। सो व्हाट इज द फार्मूला फॉर मास?
QE by M.
QE by g।
G, sorry.
Q का वैल्यू कितना है? 1.6 into -19। इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितना है? 4 into 10⁻⁴ बाय g का वैल्यू 10 पकड़ लो, तो मास कितना हो जाएगा? 6.4 into 10⁻⁻19 -20 plus 4 -16 किलोग्राम।
So
Hello?
normally in the exam, since we have log tables, we have to use 9.8 only. No?
हाँ, 9.8 यूज करना है। एग्जाम, बोर्ड एग्जाम में कभी भी 9.8 ही लेना है।
Okay.
ओके,
Unless
Getting
they
it?
mention, no?
they will not mention only, you have to take 9.8 only.
So in the start of the paper, many a times the G value is given, no?
हाँ, they give you 9.8 only.
Yeah. In the instructions, sometimes they give it.
ठीक है,
Yes. Sir.
चलो 64 डन। ठीक है, चलो थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट टाइम याद रखना कहाँ से कंटिन्यू करना है?
72.
Yes, sir.
72 से कंटिन्यू करेंगे हम लोग। ओके, बस फिर खत्म हो जाएगा। कैपेसिटेंस ही है, ज्यादा नहीं है। चलो
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, thank you।
Bye, sir.